How to log in or sign into Disney Plus. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log in or sign into Disney Plus, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log in or sign into your Disney Plus account, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Then you simply have to go to disneyplus.com. When you go to disneyplus.com, this will be the kind of interface that you will see. Now, first of all, if you don't have an account, you can choose to get those plans and subscribe to Disney Plus using your Hulu and so on. But if you already have an account, from the top right hand side, you can see the login button. So just tap on that login option there. And as soon as you tap on the login option, over there you should be able to see a couple of options. So there you simply have to actually enter your username or your email address and then your password, and make sure that you type them correctly. Then once you've done that, you will be able to log into your Disney Plus account. This way you'll be able to sign in or log into Disney Plus. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.